Today is day 2 of our Take 2 challenge in our zero to payout. Yesterday, if you remember, I blew my account and we talked through some of the psychological pieces, some of the pieces in our mind that really matter when it comes to trading. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply those things that we talked about. If you remember, we said that a successful trader, anybody can do it, right? Anybody can be successful at this, but most people are not. And there's 3 things that we have to have. We have to have determination, we have to have discipline, and we have to have patience. We have all 3 of those things, we will get a payout. And so today we exercised those pieces. And on the charts here, we're starting over again. You can see that I've passed that account, or at least we've passed the eval. So we will start our funded account tomorrow. So today we got 1,500 on our eval. I'm going to show you what I took there. And then tomorrow, we'll actually start the actual funded series. So we'll be a little bit behind because if you remember, we were trying to get that payout for this Friday, but we're going to be resilient. We're going to get back up off the mat and we're going to take each trade as if it was our last, understanding that we always have another trade, right? We have to step back, be patient, be disciplined, and then move forward. So that's what I'm looking at here. Again, there's really nothing on here. I'm going to keep this clean until we start our actual funded account tomorrow. So we're looking good at the moment. So let's go ahead and just step over to the charts. So here we are at the charts, and I want to show you some things that I saw. Actually, last night I took a trade. I don't always take trades at night. I know recently I have, but I want to show you a couple things. I'm going to remove some of these lines. We're just going to dive right into it. So the first thing that I really want to show you is that we're really creating this bottom down here on the VWAP. And so what I'm seeing is that we had a big push down. Now we're really trying to use this area to build liquidity to then move back up, right? And so that's what you're seeing here. And I saw this last night and I thought this was a really good opportunity to really kind of complete this cup. I thought we would definitely get up to here on this move. You can see that we actually did get there. It took a while, but around midnight or 11:42 Eastern, we were able to get to that point. So what am I seeing here? So we have this big move down. We then collect this liquidity. Anything that you see here is building liquidity to then take that move up. So once we broke above this resistance level and then we used it to make support, we pushed off of that, right? And so at that point, this is a really good play to look long, right? That's what we're looking at. So there's several opportunities here. Here's one, right? Here's one. These flag plays really play out as you move up. And so I wasn't around on these particular moves, but I did see this one, which was a beautiful setup as we really kind of took this liquidity, pull back. And I was thinking if we could really break out of this, we had a chance to move up. And so I actually did take it here. We did pull back, but then we started to kind of move up on the 9. So if you look at this, you can see that we did start to move up on that 9 right here. So we have this candle here at 11:16. Then we start to make our way up off of that. And so at that point, I'm thinking we're probably going to make a really good play. We're probably going to have a really good play to fill. There's a wick here, right? And we need to probably hit at least half of this wick. This is something I talk about, but it's a cup, it's a flag, and I would think you get at least to here. And that's exactly what we did on this move. So I took it to there. That actually got me my 1,500 using NQ. Again, I size up with evals, and that's how we were able to get that. You can see that we kind of just made our way up after that to the completion of the full play. But that was the actual move that I saw today. So this morning we had a beautiful channel here, and I actually took this channel. I want to show you a play because if you remember, I took 2 evals. Actually played one last night, and then I played one this morning. And on this one, this was a little tricky. So we broke below this channel, and I actually took a short once we rejected this top or bottom of the channel to the downside. I took a short down here, and you can see we actually pushed up, which actually took out that account. So I only have one eval at the moment that we passed, and that's okay. That's going to happen more times than not, especially when I'm playing higher position sizings. You don't have to do that. You can be more patient with your evals and just kind of wait it out. I don't do that. So this is the play that I just want to show you this. We had a really nice channel here. We broke below that channel. Oftentimes, if we're going to break below a channel, that's going to tell us that we're going to push down. We had reasons to push down here. And I really thought we would get to exactly where we got to later because you can see it over here, right? There's this kind of this level here. So I thought that this was going to push down at least here and then maybe bounce back up. We didn't get that. It actually pushed up first. So this would be manipulation here, up to then push back down. And you can see we kind of made our way back down here. So that's today. Again, we're in a good spot. We learned from yesterday, and tomorrow will be day 1 of our funded series.